Have you ever gone home from work and you are entirely clueless of what you're going to cook? Well, worry less, because I have come up with a series of 5 simple, common, everyday meals we as Kenyans usually take. But this time I want to make them enjoyable, really enjoyable, such a way that when you even cook it twice or thrice, you're really going to enjoy it, you're going to love it, it's not going to be boring. And so I'm embarking on this series, and on to our first meal of this series. I want to try Mboga za Kienyeji, and I'm trying to lessen everything possible so that it can be cost effective as well. We're going to cook with very minimal ingredients, so that we can see how good we can make out of something very simple. I hope you love it. One thing I have picked over time ni utamu wa mboga ni mafuta na vitunguu. So put a considerable amount of oil in such a way that when the veggies suck up the oil, as they say, you will have a little left to maintain the flavor of your onions. Then again, you need to cook your onions until golden brown to make the flavor pop distinctively, so that you can feel the onions properly in your food. Then you throw in salt, and a little bit later, when the onions are almost ready, you can throw in your beef chili cubes. Keep alternating stirring so that it doesn't really hold on to your cooking pan. So stir, and if possible, cover the onions with a lid so that it can cook faster. When your onions are ready, add in your veggies. First of all, start with a handful, then you start to avoid the onions from overcooking. You know, when the onion is below, it will overcook and turn into a black onion that is very nasty in taste. Then now bring in the rest of your veggies and let them simmer. It's at this point where you're going to choose what you're going to use as an enhancer of flavor into your veggies. You can choose coconut, you can choose cream, or you can choose milk. I went with milk at this point. So you can have veggies with little milk. Some people don't really love dairy, and you can have veggies with a lot of milk. So I'm going to do the two, of a lot and minimum. For starters, I'm going to start with a little milk, and then we see how it comes to be, and then we're going to do that with a lot of milk. So here I used a quarter of packet of milk, and for the other one I used a half packet of milk. Let's see.